'Tis officially April. And welcome back to 미세먼지. Although it's gonna rain in a few days here soon, so it should clear up. Okay, yo guys, I have a long day today. Got a Shion 생일 cafe right now, then class, and then a meeting with my Domi buddy, as well as Amar Chingu, my first Indian friend. Shoutouts. But yeah, so I'm gonna be pretty much out the whole day from like 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. But yeah, finna add to the collection. Oh my god. 예쁘다. 예쁘다. 안녕하세요.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 시온이 생일 축하합니다. 감사합니다.
스무 살이 됐으니까 조금 더 열정적인 패기로 좀 더 겁 없이 더 용기 있게 더 도전을 해볼 생각입니다.
멋있다.
어른이다.
어른이죠.
사과다.
없습니다.
안녕하세요. So I'm with the Daomi buddy and Amar Chingu, my Chom Indian friend, and then Tongwon Shi.
저도 인증샷을 하나 남겨야 돼서 저도 한번 찍을게요. 네, 저도 한번.
So yeah, we just got done with the meetup. So basically, we just we actually ate at a place before the cafe. Pretty nice place. I had some 돼지고기. It was 너무 맛있어. Same with the drinks at the cafe. 너무 맛있네. Basically, Dongwon she's helping me and Amar is Indian, so he's my first Indian friend, and I'm also his first American friend. Dongwon she's pretty cool actually. 우리 같이 ISFJ인데요. And then also, obviously, earlier went to the Shion 생일 cafe. Yo, got some mini posters. And now we add a cup to the collection. So I'll just keep adding cups up here. The Sakura trees are starting to blossom, to bloom. Y'all, this is a crazy coincidence. So I'm keeping a track of the cherry blossoms, the Sakura trees at Sokchon Hosu, and then I heard this similar lalas in the background. and that's crazy because it's not even the live part, right? Live is over there, right? And I skipped all the way back here at the exact time to hear that, and it sounds, shout outs to that channel by the way, it sounds exactly like the number 8 from Triple S. So I think that Triple S used a sample. 미쳤다. Yo yo yo. So yeah, today we're going to some sort of like Korean student meets foreigner club type of meeting. Hopefully it goes well. 네.
Just one more minute. One more minute. 3, 2, 1. Okay, raise it up here. Raise it. What is this? Kimchi. Hey, kimchi. Again. Wow. You're gonna clean.
Stop.
안 돼.
Korean one. Okay. You guys can go to any place but one mission.
So yeah, that's our team, Bungobang. We're second place currently. Yo. Yo, just got done with the club. Bang team, bang. Anyways, 아무튼, yeah, that was so much fun. I finally made some friends today. But yeah, that was really fun. I'm gonna keep meeting every week, hopefully, or as much as we can. But yeah, 진짜 너무 재밌었네요. So, 너무 감사합니다. 우리 새로운 한국 친구들, 그리고 다른 외국인 친구들 반갑습니다. 전 기타라고 하는데 저는 기타라고 해요. I'm Filipino, but I'm from America, and 트리플에스 너무 좋아해요. Okay, 소연 씨.
No, I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
그 다음에. 그래? Okay.
Okay, so hello, I'm Laura. I live in Switzerland, but I'm originally from Hungary. And yeah, I'm 19. And something that I'm proud of is that I could sing Got Us Today by BY in an audio room. In Korean.
안녕하세요. 저는 김채은이고요. 한국인이고 나이는 24살인데요. 한국 나이로. 그리고 저는 먹는 것을 굉장히 좋아하고요. 그래서 삼겹살 좋아하고 디저트 다 좋아하고요. 푸딩 좋아합니다.
됐나요?
네네네.
안녕하세요. 제 이름은 김선양이고요. 한국 나이로 24살이고 그리고 저는 자전거 타는 거를 좋아합니다. 다음에 또 봐요.
좋아요.
Hello, I'm Rebecca. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Germany and I like dancing.
All winter every week.
너무 맛있네. 내것 타임, 내것. 너무 웃겨. Neri Nuna. So I saw this tiramisu cake last time,
Yeah.
and Neri just warned me about like
Don't choke on the cocoa powder.
yes. And what did Nuna order?
I always get the same thing. I always get just kape mocha.
So yeah, we actually met already, but I didn't have my camera then because I was preparing for the Tone Sengyu Cafe.
So this is gonna be the official video reunion.
But yeah, I'm thankful for Neri Nuna because she let me put my luggages at her place for a night. I would show you her place, but like she has
It's a mess.
and she has someone over right now. Is there anything you'd like to say to Mary if she's watching?
Mary, come back. What are you doing? Why are you not here?
Yeah, what the heck?
Why are you not here?
Daniel Shi, we miss you too, and Aisha Shi and all our Ilgun Chingu.
So this is the very first batch of small graduation toys. We used to have the big ones, and this is the new one.
Nice.
And it has gold, so I'm saying that this is for graduate school because graduate school has gold. And I graduated actually on the 120th anniversary of our uni.
GG's. GG's. 축하합니다.
Her currency is less. Depending on which price
So
you're
we are here to Neri Nuna's taking care of my dark spots. My first purchase from all of y'all.
Yeah.
From what Nuna says, these are needles.
Micro needles.
Interesting science. Now we are at Daiso.
I'm grabbing.
Oh, look what Neri Nuna found.
You have no idea. Because, okay, listen to me. Hear me out. There's been a different heart design that's been circulating everywhere on the market for f***ing long, and I hated it because the hearts were like, eh. These ones, do you see how nice and circular they are? These are the ones that I liked, and I literally have just one.
Oh yeah, I've seen those before, yeah.
The thing is, these have not been around for so long, and I've been looking for them everywhere online, and I can't find them. You have no idea how many I'm gonna buy.
Corrupt buyers at it again.
Yeah. Wait, I need. Are they not selling more?
Oh yeah, art box. Sorry, Mary. Reishi, this is you. 매일매일 운동, 헬스장. Look at us, we actually saved money.
Look at us.
We
We
did
did not get anything in our box.
Nope, just look and watch.
Not a single thing, okay?
Maybe later though. So who cares about wish and hope? It's
Whip
about
hose.
whip hose.
Whip hose.
Neri Nuna likes
so happy.
whipping them hoes.
Yeah.
Okay, we're saying bye to Neri Nuna for now. But we shall hang again.
Bye-bye.
오늘은 재우가 그리고 나 트리플에스 린하고 예린 생일 카페 가는 중이에요. There it is. Awesome. 오. 안녕하세요. So Matt.
Oh, cool.
You find being on YouTube? Or
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
I watched your video where you shouted me out for helping me find the objects and stuff.
So yeah, this is the Matt. He helped me find the Atom 01s in GS25.
True.
Me and Stan. La la la. It's America. America. Oh. They have the Mad Money Club book from Growth Capitalism. Now we're on our way to the TripleS Surf Club. Yo yo. So Teuga, who is your favorite member in TripleS? 제일 좋아하는 TripleS는?
I really like Sumin and Tone, but I like all members.
저는 콩사즈. 그 터네랑 지연이랑 지연. 네. 재우가. 우산이 있네. So I got Sohyun and Kaide. That's the ticket. And then 재우가
I'm Tone and Jiu.
Tone and Jiu?
Yes.
오.
Some people
오, 축하합니다.
get the
드디어 서핑 동아리 ENG 발매식이 시작됐습니다. 레슨부 김채연입니다. 안녕. 네, 안녕하세요. 트리플에스 11 레슨파 나카토네입니다. 안녕하세요. 여러분들 마지막 X24 지원입니다.
생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 예린. 생일 축하합니다. 에이요. So, 어때요? 어때요? 어때요?
재밌었어요.
힘들어요. How was it? How we feeling?
So cold. It was really fun though.
너무 감사합니다, Matt.
Yeah, of course.
He got us the exclusive objects. He got his Neli with the trade.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Okay, who I just got
Oh my
Neli.
god, I gave you the wrong one.
Jeuk got Naki. So we're trading. I will take his Jubin for the Neli.
Okay. Thank you so much. I can't believe I gave you like literally the one I wanted.
Right?
That's so crazy.
So yeah, I think this is where we're gonna say goodbye to Matt, but thank you for getting us the photo cards.
Yeah, it was cool to see you again. See ya.
And of course 그 별을 나한테 주셔서 너무 감사합니다. My 한국인 남동생.
Yes, we are brother.
So this is what we are eating today. 야야. 잘 먹겠습니다. 이타다키마스. We are adding 2 more to the collection. So this one can go there, and this one can go here. I really feel like I'm collecting infinity stones right now.